kandila si Andre na ang sumalang.
Go!
Ikaw eh! Parang nag-surf lang ah.
With the hands, the distractions tickling you and splashing water in your face, that's when sometimes you forget to focus and you forget to keep your balance.
Sa pangalawang subok ni Andre,
Oh, fast, di ba?
Finish. Ikaw eh!
But fast fall, di ba?
Nice!
Interesting.
I have short legs. Yay! Nice!
matapos mailagay ang pangatlong kandila, si Lou ang sumalang upang kunin ang susunod na kandila.
Oh my God.
Confident naman po ako sa balancing ko, pero ang kukulit po ng mga Black Ninjas, kuya. Grabe sila man-distract, kuya. Tapos hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari sa akin doon, kuya. Kaya kung ano-ano na lang pinagagawa ko doon, step-step na lang, kuya.
Yeah! Yay! Nice! Nice!
Sumunod naman si Ninja Camille.
Wow!
Matapos ang ilang subok,
Nice! Almost empty, girl! Nice! Nice!
nang si Chantel na ang sumalang,
Sige siya!
sige Chantel, kaya mo yan! Take 2!
Beninese.
Okay, take 3!
Let's do the forward, adjust the left and center, and then
Look at this one.
Si Ninja Thea, iba naman ang style.
You're up! Kaya pa! Kaya pa!
Save yourself.
Kaya pa! Go, Thea! Go, Thea!
Ninja Thea, kaya mo pa ba ang hamon ng buhay?
Thea is like this. She from Bohol, diba? That's why I think she became Tasha.
Nice one! Go, Thea!
Si Ninja Kim naman ang sumunod, tumawid sa obstacle.
Hoy, Kim!
He falling down. Pero I don't know, his body is super straight. And then he go to travel outside Mundo. And then 5 seconds later, he came back our Mundo.
Hirap man ay nakuha rin ni White Ninja Kim ang kandila.
Go, Kim! Go, Kim!
At sa pangsyam na kandila,
Sa puntong ito, ikaw ang White Ninja hanggang dulo.
Go, Kuya! Go, Kuya! Here we go!
Let's go, Tasha.
si Yamyam nakuha ang tamang balanse kaya naman mabilis itong nakakuha ng ilang kandila. Makalipas ang ilang sandali, si Yamyam ramdam na rin ang pagod.
Oh, medyo mahirapan ako nito, kuya. Kailangan ng spiritual brother ko to para maging masaya siya.
Si Yamyam pinahinga muna ng saglit ang kanyang pagod at nang handa na agad itong sumalang sa pagkuha ng 21st candle.
Nice! Yes! Yay!
Sa sumunod na kandila ni Yamyam,
Yes! Kuya, kuya, kuya! Yes, nakakapit pa. Kapit yung paa, nice. Parang ano Go, Tarsier.
Laban buhol.
Tasha. My brother is also Tasha. Pero at first, he falling down a lot. Pero after that, yeah, balance. And then he knew the strategy. That's why he's very so stable and working. And so mabilis.
Galing! Go, kuya!
White Ninja Yam Yam, ito na ang huling tawid mo sa tulay.
Go! Go, kuya! Yam, yam! Go, yam, yam! Go, yam, yam!
Very important day po ito sa kanya, kaya hindi ko kailangang i-waste po.
Go, kuya, yam! Go, yam, yam! Go, kuya, yam! Go, kuya, yam! Go, kuya, yam, yam! Go, go, go! Go, kuya, yam! Yes! Yay! Wow! Go, kuya, yam, yam! Go, go, go! Go, kuya! Kuya, yam, yam! Go, go, go! Go, kuya, yam! Go, kuya, yam, yam! Go, kuya, yam!
Sinundo ni Yam Yam si Fumiya.
Umi, go with me. Wow. I do this task only for you, not mine.
Wow.
Because I want you to be happy of your birthday.
Salamat.
Fumiya,
Opo.
you will get your gift.
Wow. 마지네? 야빠! 마지네? 스고! 마지네?
What did he say? Yo, but like this is crazy. Is this happening?
스고이.
It's like, wow. Shut up.
마지네? 너 야빠! 마지?
Yeah.
스게!
He's just really shocked. His family. Yeah.
Fumiya, your housemates wanted to give you a cake. Now, I want you to have your cake.
마지?
バースデー。
마지 스게?
ハッピーバースデー、ふみやくん。
마지で? 하피 필리핀인데요? 스게 마지で?
ここジャパン。
ちょっとすげえすげえめっちゃすげえ
おめでとう。
ありがとう
みんなでお祝い来た。
3人ね